Watch me meal prep my air fried catfish fillet and vegetable medley. Each serving of this will be under 250 calories. I am about to make my vegetable medley using liquid aminos, black pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, salt-free lemon pepper, ginger, old world seasoning, and pure sesame oil, and a little butter. For my vegetables, I'll be using zucchini, butternut squash, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, garlic, onion, and portobello mushrooms. All that will turn into these chopped and sliced vegetables. Using about 2 tablespoons of the butter inside of my wok on a medium high heat, I'll start to use my vegetables, starting with the zucchini, then the butternut squash, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and my onion and my sliced baby bella mushroom with the chopped garlic. After adding all my vegetables, I'm going to give them a good mix to get them ready for seasoning. If you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know that I mix all of my seasonings together so that I can mix it evenly onto my food. So here I'm going to take those mixed seasonings that you see here, and I'm going to season those vegetables. Mixing the seasonings and the vegetables together, I'm going to saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Here I'm going to mix in about 2 tablespoons of the liquid aminos. This is a great way to add plenty of vegetables to your diet. Next, I'm going to add in that pure sesame oil, which gives it sort of a nutty flavor for me. If you don't prefer it, you can add olive oil or any type of oil you prefer. I'm going to give this a final mix here, and here you are, vegetable medley. So bright and beautiful. You can serve this as a side dish or eat the vegetables all alone. Each serving of about a half cup is under 100 calories. Here we're going to take that washed catfish fillet and season them. I have my blend of seasoning that I choose. You can use any seasoning blend that you prefer. I take the seasoning, rub it into the catfish fillets, and I do this to season both sides of the catfish fillet. After they're well seasoned with the rub, I take parchment paper made for air fryers and place that inside of my air fryer. I place those evenly flat across the entire sheet of the air fryer paper. I place this inside of the air fryer on 400 for about 20 minutes, turning after the first 10 minutes. And here you go, 3 prep meals of catfish fillet and vegetable medley. If you enjoyed this meal prep video, subscribe to It's Gamma's World.